it's me JD. So for today's video, we're going to unbox and review what I bought on Shopee, Onitsuka Tiger. Yo guys, FYI lang, so from Shopee to, so don't expect too much, no. Based on what I've seen, no, this pairs is too good actually. I think OEM lang to. Yung price niya, sige sabihin ko na ngayon, 1.5 talaga siya sa Shopee, but nabili ko siya ng nasa 1.2 lang kasi meron akong voucher. And then yung quality niya guys, medyo mabigat-bigat siya, and also okay rin naman siya, like mukha na rin siyang urig, ganun, alam mo yun, kapag sinusuot mo siya, komportable siya. Yun naman mahalaga, komportable yung paa mo. And what you see guys is, ayan yung box niya, itsura ng out box niya, yeah. Ganyan lang, wala masyadong info, walang details, yan lang, like yung gilid, size, color, ganyan. And then may pre nga pala tayong socks, may pre silang socks na binigay sa atin, and it's actually good, kahit di ka naman gagamitin. And ayun yung gilid ng box, information, ikaw muna.
Close that, love it when you toss it back, love it when you talk back. Girl, you get me off track, so off-white tracksuit, just so I can floss, yeah. With my new bitty, she ain't let my soft yet. Could've been you, still feeling on my D.
Yeah, sa part na to guys, medyo nagagandahan ako and masyado ako ng overwhelmed. Parang excited na ako suotin siya. Ayun yung sasabi ko sa inyo guys, yung sole niya, ang lambot talaga compare mo sa Samba. Yeah, sa Samba. Compare sa Samba, medyo matigas-tigas yung sole niya. Pero goods naman siya gamitin. Both pairs, parehong goods.
For the two of us, ooh, I ain't got space to be thinking about you. You know this ain't the time for the two of us, ooh, I ain't got space to be thinking about you.
You know this ain't time for the two of us, ooh, I ain't got space.